Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed, and this is the beginner's guide for using Microsoft Word. It is usually being used for creating documents like reports, essays, handouts, flyers, and things like that. Microsoft Word gives me right away a bunch of templates that I can choose from to help me get started using Microsoft Word. As you can see, there are different types of gray documents, all sorts of different templates that you can use, and if you go here, you can also choose online templates. But in this video, we're going to focus just on starting from scratch, so I'm going to click here where it says blank document. As you can see, we have a blank document. Across the top, we have tabs, Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, and so on. And when you click on each of these tabs, they will give you different ribbons. And each ribbon is divided into groups. Also, some groups will have a small launch button in the corner. Launch button means that there are more tools, but they couldn't fit in the space provided. As you can see, in Home tab, we can edit our text by changing the font size, type of theme fonts, color, and other. So now I will start creating a document and my title will be Quantum Computers. So this title looks very typical, so I will change it a bit. I will set font size 30 and text Algerian. We can also centralize it so it's in the middle and change the color of the text to red. Okay, so we move on to the Insert tab. We can insert many things into our document. For example, table, pictures, shapes, header and footer, and also Wikipedia. So we will insert a photo of a quantum computer that I previously downloaded from Google. And as you can see, we can edit a photo by adding frames, picture borders, picture effects, and so on. We will add black frame to our photo and make picture a bit smaller. Also, very important thing in Insert tab is header and footer. We will add footer now. And we will type that this is the page number 1. And when we are finished, we just click on Close Header and Footer. So now I will type in some text, and it doesn't matter what I will write, so it will be random letters. But before that, I'll change the font to 12. Make it Calibri. And then change the color to the black and write the text. Now that I've done that, I'll click on Insert tab again, choose Text Box. Basically, a text box is additional text that can float up on top of your document. So I'm gonna go with a simple text box and type random letters there. Now I can drag it wherever I want it to go. And as you can see, it interferes with the text. We can change that by clicking on this button where it says make it behind or in front of the text. I will choose behind text. And as you can see, it does not interfere with the text now. So we move on to Design tab, where basically many document formations, page color, and page borders. I will change page color to gray. And as you can see, text box does not change color while everything else does. So next, we will be focusing on something interesting in Review tab. So whenever you're writing a paper or report, it is important to get the spelling right. And you can see here on Review tab, you can click Spelling on Grammar. And it will check the spelling mistakes. And as you can see, it says I'm good to go, so I don't have any spelling mistakes. To finish this off and to save it, I'll click on Tab File. I have a bunch of different options like save, save as, and print if I want to print it. I will save it on documents and title of document will be quantum computers. And I will click save. It is now saved to my documents and that would be it. I hope this tutorial will help you in completing your documents or reports. And also, thank you for your attention.